Good morning students, you are welcome to Indian Style English channel. Today we will discuss Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. It is the 6th poem of 12th class. According to the CBSE, exam will be taken in 2 terms. This time in November and December only MCQ will be asked. So we are focusing on the same things, only MCQ will be discussed in detail analysis. तो फर्स्ट है हमारा वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द पोएटेस एड्रिना रिच. शी वॉज बोर्न 16th May 1929. कहां पैदा हुई थी? शी वॉज बोर्न बाल्टीमोर, मैरीलैंड, USA. When was she died? She died on 27th March 2012. Where did she died? She died at Santa Cruz, California. USA. What was the name of her husband? Her husband's name was Alfred S. Conrad. She also received some awards, some prizes in literature. Her first prize was National Book Prize. It was in 1974. Dan Bollinger Prize. She received it in 2003. Okay. Her first volume of poetry published. It was A Change of World. So dear students, it was all about the poetess. If an examiner asks question about the poetess, he can't ask more than this. Next we will discuss about the poems. ISE means Indian Style English. So first question is, the poem has been written. The poem has been written in quatrain. Quatrain is 4 lines stanza. Quatrain is 4 lines stanza. अच्छा, there are total 12 lines in the poem. There are total 12 lines in the poem. The lines are 12, but the sentences are 6. There are 6 sentences in all. 6 sentences in all. The rhyming scheme of the poem is A and BB. It means first two lines rhymes together and last 2 lines rhyme together. Now we will discuss about the poem deeply. Where are the tigers and what is Aunt Jennifer's doing? Aunt Jennifer's is embroidering the wool. क्या कर रही हैं? वो कढ़ाई कर रही है वूल पे. Where are tigers? Tigers कहाँ हैं? The tigers are on the screen panel. नेक्स्ट है What are the tigers doing? The tigers are prancing on the screen. Prancing means moving with brave. Next is they are not fearing of the man standing beneath the tree. जो टाइगर्स है हमारे, उनको लोगों से डर नहीं लग रहा है. दे आर स्लीक मीन्स एलिगेंट. दे आर स्लीक एंड शिवालिक मीन्स brave and polite. And why are Aunt Jennifer's hands fluttering? Because she is weak and old. Why are the hands of Aunt Jennifer's terrifying? Why are they terrifying? She thinks that she will have to walk even after her death. She will have to work even after death. That's why her hands are terrified. Next, what is massive band? Massive means huge. Band means relation. The massive band of her marriage with her husband has given her a lot of responsibilities. How did Aunt Jennifer spend her life? She spent her life in dominance of her husband. What is the meaning of the ring? Still ringed. Ring is the symbol of marriage. Means her responsibilities are continued. What mastered Aunt Jennifer in her life, or which things she was mastered by? She was mastered by her ordeals. Ordeals means hardship and difficulties of life. Ordeals means hardship and difficulties of life. Next, what is the color of the tigers? The color of the tiger is bright yellow. What is topaz? The tigers have been compared with topaz. Actually, topaz is a shining costly stones. Shining costly stones. These tigers have been called the denizens of the green world. What is the meaning of denizens of the green world? The meaning of denizens of the green world is they are the inhabitants. We can call residents. Residents of green world means forest. The next question is, what will happen with the tigers after the death of Aunt Jennifer? The tigers will continue on prancing. The tigers will continue on prancing. What did Aunt Jennifer think her life was? Her life was a saga of suffering. A saga of suffering means a story of a saga of suffering. A story, a life, painful life. That is saga of suffering. A story which is full of pains, hardship, and ordeals. What does the poetess thinks for Aunt Jennifer? The poetess feels. The poetess feel sympathy. The poetess feel sympathy with the aunt. Next is, are these tigers real? Are the tigers real? No. These tigers are not real. We will ask us just few questions more. Next question is, what do the tiger represent? What do the tiger represent? The tiger represents man. The tiger represents man. What does this screen represent? This screen represent the life of woman which has been dominated by the man, which has been dominated by the man. Next is, which symbol they do represent, or for what they have been used. Tigers are the symbol of woman creative energy. Tiger are the symbol of creative energy of woman. Last question is, men's are produced by a woman, but they completely overpower women in their life. One more last question. Massive band means huge relation means a relation full of burdens. After marriage, Aunt Jennifer faced a lot of hardship and difficulty in her life just because of a massive band of marriage life. Dear students, I hope there will be no question which I have not discussed in the class. Watch this video, and if you have liked that I have done something better for this class, then subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.